see my sheet. So I am taking one recommendation: review the location of crane placement for installing the skid and foundation during EPC, and obtain the approval from the company, including lifting plan. I think this recommendation is very important. Correct, Sarwan?
Yeah, crane standing position, and due to, you can put the chairman here, review the location of crane placement due to limited accessibility. Due to limited accessibility. So that the constraint we put it so that it is clear. Due to limited accessibility. Review the crane standing. 1 minute. Review the location of crane standing placement due to limited accessibility. In the open brackets, in the brackets you can put by existing by brackets.
By the
existing
by black. Okay. I think for installing the skid and foundation during EPC and obtain approval.
Foundation is not an issue, right? Foundation, okay, foundation screen is not required.
Foundation,
right?
Foundation is also around 500 kg, 200 kg. So let us keep it.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, actually, Chairman, actually, I think you can remove this foundation. Only for the skid is required. Because as per the layout, actually, the weight is coming, it's pretty big weight is coming for the foundation.
Okay.
So, I mean, it will be difficult to make it through precast foundation.
No problem. So I have removed the foundation. So this will be now applicable for the skid.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you, man. So long lead item, there is no long lead item.
This is not a long lead item, team. How much? What is
this is a long lead item?
That's what.
Permit of transport. Yes.
No, Chairman. This is this is a long lead item. The analyzer skid itself is a long lead item.
Okay. So. So Sudeep, so have you identified all the long lead item and order has been placed, or we are still issuing the PO, or what is the status of the PO?
We are in feed. Feed.
Point. So now I think we have to take a recommendation. The contractor need to ensure that long lead item procurement process is expedited, right?
Which contractor?
EPC contractor.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so that is okay, guys. So that is okay, no concern. That will be reviewed and updated by the EPC contractor, and proper placement has to be done. Transport, there is no major concern, but road safety procedure has to be implemented by EPC contractor. Storage and preservation, as we made that, there is no major concern, but EPC contractor will store the material as per the OEM guideline. This is standard. Communication, this will be done by the radios and EX approved form, and there is no major concern for communication during construction.
Chairman, actually, if you see there is one